Hello everyone, welcome back to MEERRIZ Tech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check how powerful your laptop or PC is with just a single command. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Windows PowerShell. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now in the PowerShell window, type the following command exactly as shown. Get-CimInstance win32_winset, then press Enter. This command checks your system's hardware performance and gives you a rating. Look for the line that says WinSPRLevel. This is your PC's overall performance score. The score ranges from 1.0 to 9.9. The higher the number, the better your PC or laptop is in terms of performance. Score 7.0 to 9.9, congratulations, you've got a high-end gaming or professional workstation. You can easily handle 4K, 8K video editing, high-end 3D rendering, AAA games, and heavy multitasking. Score 5.0 to 6.9. You're in the high performance category, perfect for full HD video editing, graphic design, moderate 3D gaming. Score 4.0, 4.9. You've got a mid-range system suitable for HD video playback, light to moderate gaming, casual content creation, everyday multitasking. I've added detailed performance categories in the video description, so be sure to check that out. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to MEERRIZ Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.